Hello there and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this training video, I'll be talking about how to use social media in the marketing of your product. How to use social media in the marketing of your product. This is the second tutorial video in this training series. If you have not watched the first tutorial, I've dropped link in the description box below this video to the first tutorial video. Now this is Sunshine Resources, and our Sunshine Resources, we pride ourselves in turning people into entrepreneurs. And so if you are ready to become an entrepreneur, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Now you will agree with me that marketing is a very important aspect of life, and it is a skill everyone needs to acquire. On this channel, we teach people how to produce a lot of household products ranging from detergent, medicated soap, air freshener, bread, cakes, and so on and so forth. Now, as a manufacturer, you need marketing skills to be able to sell your product. Whatever you produce, be it soap, detergent, bread, cake, gari, whatever you produce, you need a system or an algorithm with which you can market your product, and one of such system is social media. As a matter of fact, today's world is driven by social media. Social media serves as the largest advertisement spot on the internet. Everyone seems to be a social media freak. Have you ever noticed that whenever you see people gaze at their phones, they are in one social media platform or the other? This is where social media controls the people. It is one of the most visited websites on the internet. The mobile device itself is a charm. It has charmed the people so much more that they cannot do without their phones. And whenever they are on their phones, they are most likely to be on social media platform. This spells fortune for the social media marketer. In our first training video, we mentioned some calls to action and requirement. If you have not watched the video, just like I said before, please do so. I've dropped the link to the first tutorial video in the description box below this video. So what are the requirements of a social media marketer? Here, we are referring to the gadget that you need to become a social media marketer. Alright, you need a PC with internet connection at all times. Now, you also need a phone, Android phone, but this is optional. Now, after getting a PC with internet connection, the number one thing is for you to create a social media account, say Facebook account. Creating a Facebook account is very simple, just the same way you sign up to any platform. By now, you should be familiar with that. Now, to create a Facebook account, go to facebook.com and click Create New Account. Enter your name, email or phone number, date of birth, and gender. Password, and then click on sign up. Now, to finish creating the account, you need to confirm your email or phone number. Now, after you have created your Facebook account, you can start posting text or videos. Your text or videos may be for educational purposes or for advertisement purposes. Maybe you want to start with text. Ask yourself the following questions. What kind of valuable information do I want to provide to my Facebook fans? Of course, it should be an information that is not readily available or not available in the way you want to present it. There must be something unique about your own page. Creativity must set in. We will talk about creativity in due course. You may decide to provide information on the following: how to farm catfish, how to reduce weight, how to produce detergent, how to design website, or fashion designing made simple, or even an advert of a product you already have. If peradventure you already have a product, then you can start advertising immediately. But bear in mind that creating advertisement content requires some level of creativity. In other words, you're going to write something that will pull people's attention to your webpage. But because it is a new Facebook account, the reach is going to be very poor. In that case, you can use what is called boost post. Boost post means that you're going to pay a small amount of money to Facebook and they will help you show your post to millions of people. In that way, many people will be engaged with your post. This is called leads generation. The more often you do this, the more you grow your leads. Leads here means followership. This is called leads nurture. Lead generation and lead nurturing can take you to lead conversion. This means that your followers start to purchase your product, if any. If there is no product, you probably start answering calls from your leads or followers on certain issues that you're not quite clear about in your post. But if you want to grow your followership or leads organically without any paid ads, then you must be ready to give free information of high value with high level of decency and genuineness. It should not be a fake information, because they will try it out, and when they do, they will give you feedback. You should try to build confidence and trust in your fans, and this is where the followership comes from. Nobody will follow you if you don't have anything to offer. Giving out free services or information is one of the mandatory attributes of a social media marketer or even a high-tech company. Signing up into a Facebook account is free. Google up till today give her email services for free of charge. Sometimes you must be ready to give out free services at the point of entry into social media marketing. You must be consistent with your post, making sure that your audiences are getting the best as you build the followership network. Now, this is a typical Facebook account. When you sign up, it brings you to an interface like this. Now you can post any information you want. Just click post and start typing, or simply copy text from somewhere and paste it here. One very important thing about Facebook posts is that when you create a Facebook post and people are clicking on the post, it will automatically rank high on the Google search engine, and that is a plus for you. Most companies use Facebook posts to advertise their product. The simple reason is that it is cheaper to do that than owning a website with a domain name and a web host. In the next video, we're going to be talking about how to monetize your Facebook account. Requirement for monetizing your Facebook account. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/@sunshineresources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page at Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.